Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper and if you have a time, so you should also try to read English newspaper. Right now I am in my coaching. My students are absent right now, so I have a time. So it is important for me to study. Over 2 lakh devotees take holy deep in Yamuna in Mathura on Yam Divitya. Over 2 lakh devotees took a dip in the holy water of Yamuna river at several ghats of Mathura and Vrindavan on the occasion of Yam Divitya on Sunday. Officials said a large number of siblings belonging to different age groups celebrated the festival by taking holy dip. Senior Superintendent of Police Salesh Kumar Pandey said. He added that over 2 lakh devotees took a dip in Yamuna on the occasion, which is celebrated on the day of Bhai Dooj. Narrating the legend of the festival, priest Kanta Chaturvedi said, Lord Yamraj, pleased by his sister Yamna's hospitality, granted her a boon. According to the boon, siblings of any age group taking a dip in the holy Yamuna river at Mathura's Visram Ghat together on the day of Yam Divitya will be spared from the wrath of the messengers of Lord Yam, the priest said, while majority of the devotees took a dip at Visram Ghat. Those unaware of the legend took dip in Bengali Ghat, Swami Ghat, and on the other bank of Yamuna. After taking deep, they paid obeisance at the Dharamrai temple situated on the bank of Yamuna near Visram Ghat. Danesh Chaturvedi, a resident of Mathura, said. Siblings Geeta and Devas, who came from Gorakhpur, said they were glad they could take a dip in holy Yamuna together. Similarly, 4 siblings, Rita and Subhas, from Agra in their teens. It was a revered experience in Lucknow. Devotees worshipped Lord Chitraputa on the occasion of Yam Divitya. The celebrations were held at Bhagwan Sri Chaturgupta Dham, Julelal Vatika in the state capital. Collective worship of pens and ink pots were also held. According to Dilip Srivastava, the program organizer, Champan Bhog Prasad was offered to the deity at the temple. Pens were also distributed to the devotees along with Prasad, he said. Forest and Environment Minister Arun Saxena visited the temple and wished the people of the state on the occasions of Lord Sri Chitraput Pujan, Kalam, Devot Pujan and Bhaiya Dooj, the organizers, and said in a statement. Thank you guys for watching.